We already talked about cases where two negatives can cancel each other out, subtracting a negative number or taking a negative number times itself. Now we want to talk a little bit more specifically about what happens for the different cases when we multiply and divide positive and negative numbers with each other. In example 10, we have 12 times negative 3 and 12 divided by negative 3. The first thing that we want to note here is that we have a positive number times a negative number, or in the case of part B, we have a positive number divided by a negative number. With multiplication and division, if we have one positive and one negative number, our answer will end up being negative. So in the case of part A, we'll end up with negative 36. And in the case of part B, we'll again end up with a negative because we have one negative and one positive value. But 12 divided by 3 would give us 4, so negative 4. In example 11, we're multiplying and dividing two negative values. If we have a negative times a negative or a negative divided by a negative, that result will end up being positive. So negative 4 times negative 1 will end up giving us positive 4, or just 4. And negative 4 divided by negative 1 will again give us a positive, since we have a negative divided by a negative, a positive 4, or again just 4. So just to summarize those two rules again, if we have a positive number times a negative number, then our result will be a negative number. And the same is true for division. A positive and a negative yield a negative result. If we have a negative number times a negative number, then our result will end up being positive. Two negatives cancel each other out. And again, same rule with division applies.